Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Mitsubishi 2-button remote key fob. First thing, we need to remove this little screw here at the top of the key fob. We get our very small Phillips screwdriver and remove the screw like so. We now get a flat-headed screwdriver and we put it in the indentation at the bottom of the key and twist to split the two halves of the key fob case. There you have it. There is your key fob battery. We get our small flat-headed screwdriver and get underneath the battery itself and release it from its housing. We get our new key fob battery, like this one, with a part number of CR1620. We pop our new key fob battery back into its housing, making sure that the writing is facing upwards in its correct position. We get the other half of the key fob case in, make sure everything lines up, and click it back in place. Now we get the very small Phillips screwdriver and screw. And we screw it back in place like so. We test the key fob to make sure the red light works, and you're all good to go.